Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix your Facebook business page not showing up in search. If you've been struggling with visibility and wondering why potential customers can't find your business page, this simple fix will get you back on track. First, navigate to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find your Facebook business page, typically located under your shortcuts. Go ahead and click on it to access your business page. You'll be directed to your Facebook Business Management page. This is where you can control all the important settings for your page. From here, locate the settings option on the left navigation menu and click on it. This section holds all the configuration options that determine how your page appears and functions. Once you click Settings, you'll be directed to your Facebook Business Settings and Privacy page. Now, if your page hasn't been showing up in search results, this is where we'll find the culprit. Look for the option labeled How People Find and Contact You under the Audience and Visibility section. This is a critical area that controls your page's discoverability. Now pay close attention to the first option where it states Allow search engines outside of Facebook to link to your page. This setting is essential because it allows search engines, including Facebook's own search function, to index your page and display it in search results. Make sure this option is toggled on. If you notice it's turned off, that's exactly why your page isn't appearing in searches. Simply turn it on by clicking the toggle, and your Facebook business page will now be discoverable to anyone searching for your business. For an additional measure to ensure maximum visibility, head to Followers and Public Content on your left navigation menu. Here, check on the country restriction settings and click on Edit. Make sure that there are no countries disabled in this section. Having country restrictions enabled can limit who can find and access your page, so it's best to verify that everything is open unless you specifically need to restrict certain regions. And there you have it. Your Facebook business page should now be visible in search results, making it easier for potential customers to find and connect with your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.